Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your LinkedIn profile to reflect your phone type as work on your PC. With the latest updates, managing your professional information has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Me icon. This is where you'll find all your account settings. Click on the Me icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn profile. Next, focus on the Account Preferences section. Here, you'll see several options related to your account settings. Look for Profile Information and click on it. This section allows you to edit important details about yourself that others will see. Under Profile Information, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can make changes to how you present yourself professionally on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down to the Contact Info section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Edit Contact Info. Click on this to proceed with updating your phone type. In the Contact Info window, look for the Phone Type bar. This is crucial for ensuring that your contacts know how to reach you for work-related matters. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Work. This simple change will help clarify your professional communication preferences. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This step is essential as it ensures that all your changes are recorded and reflected on your profile. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile to show your phone type as work. This small adjustment can enhance your professional image and make it easier for colleagues and potential employers to connect with you effectively. Thank you for tuning in and happy networking.